Hey everybody, Brock Freddy here, helping you enjoy your ride. If you have a Hyundai, then you may have noticed some of the features that are like safety-related features that are super convenient. For instance, your steering wheel will vibrate if you move outside of your lane. Have you ever wondered how maybe you can turn that off if that's annoying to you? Or have you wondered maybe if you can adjust the volume of some of the warning icons or warning safety features, like when you're in a parking space and you're getting too close to another vehicle and you can hear a faint beep, but you want to turn it up? Or did you know that you can have the vehicle lower the volume of the audio system while you're using your parking assistance or parking aid features? All super cool features. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to become an expert at all of the things I just described. Let's jump right in. So this is the home screen in your Hyundai. And from your home screen, you're going to swipe right and go to Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Warning Method. And this sets the warning methods for the driver assistance systems. So warning volume, this sets the volume of the warning sound. That's no sound, which I do not recommend. And I'm going to go with 2. So that's the warning sound for the camera that sees out, like whenever you're using your cruise control and everything, and it starts to warn you because you're getting too close. Haptic warning. This is the vibration of the steering wheel. So if you find that annoying, that's how you turn that off. And you can see the steering wheel right there. And that is it on. I'm going to leave that on. Lane safety audible warning off. This turns off the lane safety audible warning even when both warnings, volume and haptic warnings are on. See that? And that shows you a car drifting, and all it's doing is disabling the audible warning. Okay? Driving safety priority. This lowers, and I love this one, this lowers all of the other audio volumes when the driving safety system sounds a warning, and that is active, and now that's off. I really, really like that one, and I like this one also. It's kind of connected to it. Parking safety priority. It lowers the audio volume when parking assist view is active. You can see park. And so for me, I like the volume to be low if I'm trying to navigate a parking spot. And that right there is going to help with the parking assist view when that is active. All right, everybody, that is how to adjust your warning methods in driver assistance. Thanks for watching.